Hey, what's up guys? It's Sam from BSG Tech. In today's video, I will be explaining how you can reset your connection manager, especially when you're trying to stream your media through your phone or smart tablet or any other smart device and you're trying to stream directly to your TV wirelessly. So what happened actually, the phone is basically connected through the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi is connected through the TV, and there is a bridge that has been built between your smartphone and your smart TV, and that is wireless. So when you try to uh, basically stream something directly on your phone, you can connect using different settings. Android has different settings. Apple has Apple Play. Android has Android Play, and different phones and different phones. Some smart TVs they don't have this built-in option. People they can use external devices, for example, the Chromecast or any other external USB stick in order to stream their media directly from your phone to their smart TV. So what happened actually in some cases when people they try to stream their media, the phone or the TV does not recognize and it does not take any connection at all. What happened actually is the number of connections they are exceeded, the number of allowed connections they are exceeded, and for that reason uh, the TV will not take further commands. I'll show you what happened actually. First thing, you need to go into the settings page on your TV and then jump into the system manager. Once you're into the system manager, keep scrolling down, uh, and if you can't find it in system manager, you can look for external device manager. And as you can see, there are two sections here in external device manager. The first one is device connection manager at the end, and then on the top we have input device manager. So let's check input device manager. What do we have here? That's we have a keyboard and mouse setting. You can connect wireless keyboard or mouse. And then in device connection manager, we have access notifications, which is set to off. You can always keep it on. So whenever a new Android or smartphone or tablet is connected with your TV wirelessly in order to stream the media, then you will always receive an on-screen notification, and unless you allow that, the TV will not accept that command. And then we have the device list. If you open that, you can see that there is a huge list of smartphones, tablets, and other media devices. As you can see, this Note 4 I have used like a couple of years back, and on this TV, when this TV was new, I used the Galaxy Note 4 at some point. Then there's a Huawei device, and there are multiple devices. So what happened actually when the smart TV reaches its uh, limits on the allowed connection, is stop taking further commands. And if you have any new phone, for example, if you recently purchased a new phone or tablet and you're trying to stream media, you will always face problems. So what you can do is, solution is basically come into the edit section, and then from the top right hand side you can scroll down. Either you can delete all of them, but if you are not sure, you can always come back and delete few uh, from this segment. You can check them and delete them and then click on yes. This will solve your connection problem whenever you want to stream your media, and when you try to stream your media using your smartphone, you will not have any kind of problem. To give you a demonstration, I will be connecting my iPhone, and I will play a video on YouTube, and that I will connect using the Airplay command, and then you can see that the video will be displayed on TV. As you can see that I'm trying to connect this video using my iPhone, and as soon as I click on this button, which is a stream button, you can see that the TV has given a notification on the top. If I click allow, it will start streaming that. This is good for one more reason, guys, that if your neighbors or somebody in your neighborhood or in the surrounding areas who is within the possible reach in order to stream media on your TV, they can stream anything they want with just one click. So when you put this setting as a security feature on your smart hub, then you'll only be able to stream media which you allow on your TV. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any feedback or comments, do let us know. Take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.